Once a year, I take my students out to the field, and we all step up to the plate and hit softballs. And each person tries to hit it as far as they can, and then we measure how far each person hits using these tape measures in feet. And then what we do is, once we have this data on distance each person hits, then we also collect data on whether they're male or female. That male there just equals 1 if the hitter is a male and 0 if the hitter is a female. And the number of years a person has playing on a softball or baseball team. And then what we can do, we can give Excel those 3 variables, and Excel will give us 3 numbers in return. A value for A1, a value for A2, and a value for A3. And it's going to give us numbers that give us an equation that is accurate at predicting hitting distance. So, just as an example, Excel might give us something back like this. Let's just say D is the distance a person hits the softball. The equation might look like this. The A1, the intercept, might equal 100. And the value for A2 might be 20. Let's just say M equals male. And the value for A3 might be, say, 3. We'll just say EXP for experience. And what this means is if the person comes up to bat, let's just say they come up to bat, and let's just say that this hitter is a male, then M equals 1, and we take 20 times 1, and then let's say that they have 2 years on a baseball team, and this equation is going to predict how far they hit. We have 100 plus 20 plus 6, so 126, and that will be our prediction for how far this person would hit. And in general, these equations, they're pretty good at predicting because Excel gives us A1 and A2 and A3 that is good at predicting. And that is basically what we call regression. Regression is just when you give Excel information on data, it returns you numbers to use in an equation to predict things.